Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Here we go, and make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now just at the bottom right corner, you can see three lines icon that says menu. So tap on it. Now once you are here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and tap on the option of Settings at the top. With that, you'll come across this page. Now at the top, you'll see Account Center under Meta. Now just under Account Center, at the bottom, you'll see the option of See More in Account Center. So just tap on that option. Now over here, you'll see the option of Profiles with your name under it. So just tap on that option. Now you'll come across your name again. So just simply tap on your name at the top. Now you'll see various options here. So for now, we're about to change our username. So just tap on that option of username. Now your username will be displayed. Now just tap on the box in order to edit your username. So let's create a new username for my account. Make sure that your username does not have any space in between. Now wait until your username gets approved like this and then simply tap on the option of Done at the bottom. Let's wait for some time. Now you can see that you have successfully been able to edit your username on Facebook. By changing your username, your Facebook profile's URL will also be changed. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.